Just 2 years ago, Native Deodorant sold their business to Procter & Gamble for $100 million in cash. What's up? I'm Connor from Privy, and in today's website teardown video, we're going to walk through how Native Deodorant's website is a profit and conversion machine, and how they're taking a boring product like deodorant and turning it into the ultimate holiday gift set. So I'm going to head on over to nativeco's.com, and it's going to pull up their site, Native Deodorant, invest in yourself. I think that's what the tagline says here at the top. Nice. So as soon as we go and hit the site, the first thing that you're going to notice is that they have a timed welcome pop-up discount banner. So it says win a free candy cane set. I absolutely love how they added a 1-minute timer that the offer expires in a minute, right? So you can see the countdown counting down here, and it says treat yourself this holiday season and enter your email for a chance to win a free candy cane set. This, in my opinion, is super smart. I think that the urgency goes and increases the conversion rate, not to mention the fact that you're able to go and get a free product out of it. So I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to put in my email address and see what happens. Nice. Cool. So it disappeared. I'm sure I'll find something out over email, and then I'll even let you guys know in the comment section of the video what happened here. Actually diving into the core part of the site. First thing, let's start from the top. Free shipping and returns on the US orders. Love it. If you guys are able to go and make it work for your margins, always go and communicate that. We find that a ton of merchants have abandoned cart issues once they go and charge shipping at the end because people expect a certain price, and when you can't actually offer that in the checkout page, it discourages people and makes them want to leave. A few other things I love. In the actual nav banner, I love the fact that they kind of go and divide it based on their demographics. So if you're a teenager, a man, a woman, whatever it is, I think that's really smart, especially for this kind of product, because it helps people find what they're looking for right away. And I think that this could be a really good strategy if you're selling clothing. I know a ton of our customers are in the clothing space. So rather than going and dividing up by shorts, pants, dresses, blouses, whatever it is, dividing it based on your core demographic early on, and then you can go and even find the different product types from within there. The other thing I love that I think that a lot more companies are beginning to do today is linking to their reviews. If I click this, you'll notice, let's see, I'll click the reviews right here. So it'll go and actually bring me to a product page, and then it'll have it scroll down all the way to the review section. So 15,000 5-star reviews, a 4.3 average. It gives you the option to go and write a review, and it even kind of looks like it stacks some of the top ones up here at the top. So I think that's a really powerful way to go and build trust in your brand. And if you have enough, putting it in the navigation bar section really goes and adds credibility to your site. All right, let's start diving into the core nitty-gritty of the content here. We see our holiday shop is here, explore our holiday collection and get something sweet for friends and family. So I think this is smart. It's really seasonal, it's timed. If they're doing something like this as well for the spring, maybe they're doing like a Valentine's Day one, right? Like smell better than your cologne or something like that. I think that can be a really smart move. And I love the product shot here, right? It shows the peppermint candy cane kind of scent and gives you the call to action of shopping now. Next up is their product line. So you've got toothpaste, body wash, deodorant. If you have a handful of different product lines, this is an easy way to go and bring that to your top. And then the build your pack, my guess is that this is their way of increasing their average order value. So you can add 2 types of deodorant and a toothpaste, or 3 types of body wash and 2 deodorants that'll go and match with it. I think this is a smart way, especially if you're selling things that you can go and put into a box pretty easily and kind of like mix and match them. I think that's a good strategy. In terms of this section down here, I think that more companies could go and use a simple kind of like feature benefit, what's your core value prop section. So you see here that it shows clean ingredients, vegan and cruelty free. It shows the reviews again. It shows that they're a USA brand and the free shipping and returns. All of these, what you want to think about when you're creating your Shopify store, your e-commerce site, is what are some of the talking points that my customers love and why they're already buying from me, and then how can I go and show new customers these main talking points. And then if you go down here again, it shows bestsellers. This section I think is interesting. I think because they already have this section up here at the top, they don't necessarily need that. Maybe instead they can go and just put a badge that says bestseller, similar to how it says here, like most popular or award winner. Maybe just bring that up here or bring it up in the nav bar. You see that they've got the plastic-free deodorants, the new item. If they had like bestsellers up here, I think that could be really smart. Maybe save a little bit of space on the homepage. And again, here more with the reviews. People love us and we love them. We believe in creating personal care products that are better for your body. So this is really cool. These all look like either tweets, right? You've got the users' handles here. You get their Twitter handles. The other thing that you can see here is that they actually have the real reviews, right? So if I wanted to go and click into any of these, I'm sure it'll go and bring me up to my Twitter, and it'll kind of just add that extra social proof there. And then the last part that I want to dive into their homepage, or actually, I guess there's actually two more parts. This part is really interesting because subscribe and save. If you have a product that has a replenishment factor into it, whether it's supplements, food products, deodorant, shampoo, whatever it is, having a subscribe option is huge, because if you think about it, you're actually going and maybe giving up a little bit of your margin in the short term, but you're drastically increasing your margin in the long term, because repeat customers tend to be about 20% more profitable. And I think they must have done the math seeing that it's maybe 25% more profitable. So that way you're not spending more money on marketing costs, you're not running Facebook ads, and you're able to get reliable revenue month over month, while saving money on your marketing costs, because you're selling to customers who are already in your database. So that's really smart. The other thing that I found interesting here is that a lot of the CTAs, I'm personally a big fan of having more CTAs on your homepage saying shop these products, shop men, shop women. I like how they're dividing it up by gender here. I don't think that a lot of companies can do this, but I think that if you're selling a gender related product, such as deodorant, having the ability to go and shop men or shop women is really smart. And they do that a couple times here, right? Even this section here, they have this on their product page, ingredients that you understand. And so I think that's a really big value prop as well, because a lot of people, when they're buying deodorant, if you look at the actual ingredients, there's products that you've never heard of. I've heard of coconut oil, I've heard of baking soda, I've heard of shea butter, all that kind of stuff. And then they've got their Instagram here. So let's go and actually just jump on over. Let's take the shop now button back and see where it takes us. So if we didn't go and click into the gender part, it'll go and take us to their holiday shop. And so you're able to see things like gift sets, gifts under $20, delicious scents. If you've got a big product catalog, I think this is a great way to go and divide it up, right? If you go down to gift sets here, you're able to see stylish gift sets. And keep in mind, guys, like, they're selling deodorant, okay? Like, if you're selling anything else, you're able to go and do this, because in my opinion, if you're giving someone the gift of deodorant for the holiday season, chances are you're probably telling them they smell bad. Not actually, but that's how I would react to it. So if you're selling anything cool, whether it be supplements, whether it be some kind of food and drink brand, even clothing, you can definitely go and create your own kind of gift sets on your product pages. So I think this is a smart solution for the holiday season, and you're able to go and build your pack. They throw bows on everything, showing that it can be used for gifts. And obviously this is a very well-designed website, but I think that you can go and do the same just by using a landing page builder like Pagefly, Gem Pages, whatever, things like that. Because I'm a guy, I'm going to go and jump on over into the deodorant section here from the men, and kind of do a little teardown on the product page. So my initial reaction, love the fact that they're pulling the reviews at the top here. Again, more social proof, more validation at the point of sale. Something I don't love as much is all of the product options, how they're offering it like this. I think that any time that it's going into two different lines or even a couple different sections, you're going to want to go and try to consolidate. So I think maybe the better option for all of this, rather than having a bunch of these listed out and then it changes the color on the actual deodorant stick, instead of doing that, I think the smarter solution would maybe go and be to have a drop-down menu, so that way I'm able to click and choose between scents and it's not overwhelming visually. They also do a great job adding enhanced brand content down here at the bottom. So they talk all about how they launched their plastic-free deodorant line and all their popular scents. They do the same thing that they have here on the homepage, where it shows the shea butter, the baking soda, coconut oil, all of that kind of stuff. And it really hits their value prop of they're a natural brand, right? They're not just using all of the classic, hard to pronounce words that are in the other deodorant companies. And then they do a great job down here again, just talking about how much their customers love them. They use lifestyle product shots and then they overlay them with text. I think this is genius, because these product shots are good enough. And then when you're able to go and overlay them, you add that extra validation and more reviews here at the bottom, which is smart. The other thing that I think is really interesting too is how they set up their cart. So I think that this is a custom design. I'm not sure how they did this here, but check this out. So if you subscribe and save, you're able to go and figure out, okay, every month, every 3 months, every 4 months, however you want to set it up. But let's say that I just did a one-time purchase, right? I want to go and buy unscented deodorant. I don't know why anyone would ever want unscented, but let's say we're going to buy it, and it's a one-time purchase. Now if I go and add this product to my cart, check out what happens. First of all, they immediately have a pop-up saying unscented, it's $8 if you go and add the body wash to your cart. So this could be a really easy upsell to go and add in an extra product to someone's cart. So let's go and add this. Now, when it goes and actually opens up the cart too, you're seeing that there's an additional upsell to go and grab a mini deodorant from the coconut and vanilla version. So I'm going to add that as well. Nice. So just with those two pop-ups alone, they added an extra product to my cart, right? Unscented body wash. Again, I'm not sure who is buying unscented wash of any sorts, but let's say that we're going to go for it. And the mini deodorant here as well, so that way I'm able to go and try some of their extra fragrances. And what's really cool is that they add the ability to go and subscribe and save here. Again, this must be some kind of custom development. But now when I go and check out, you see that my cart value went from, I think it was $12, now to almost double that, right? $23. And I know that shipping's free because I'm in the US. And so you're able to see everything here. You're able to go and get everything calculated. The only thing that I was going to say that I would critique on this page is just to add a few extra payment options. Right now they're using PayPal, or I can pay directly with my card. I've seen a big uptick lately in Amazon Pay and Shopify Pay and a few other payment processors. So I know customers really enjoy that. If you want to go and increase the conversion rate of your checkout page, that might be an easy step. So I'm going to go ahead and return to cart here. And the one thing I'd say too now, if I'm at nativecodes.com/cart, these guys are absolutely killing it from an upsell standpoint. So you're able to see toothpaste right here. I can add that to cart. Deodorant, I can add that to cart. And they give me a couple different options saying these items are going fast, so they add urgency. They also show that if you don't enjoy your first package from Native, let us know and we can help you return or exchange your products with a 30 days of receipt for a full refund, US orders only. So it kind of takes the risk out of my order and allows me to go and order these products knowing that I'm going to go and get them, and that if I have any issues, I'm able to go and get a refund. Overall, I think this is an incredible website. I think that they do a great job of upselling customers, creating subscription options, and really going and validating how good their products are with their product detail displays, on top of including a ton of reviews from their happy customers to go and increase more trust. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, feel free to go and check us out at Privy.com, or go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and like it. We're going to be posting videos like this every week. So if you want to go and get more inspiration for your Shopify store, or just figure out ways that you can go and grow your e-commerce brand online, definitely check us out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hey, so I was going to go and end the video early, but then I just went into my inbox and saw this email from Julie at Native, and so I wanted to go and give a quick overview as to what I thought about their email. First of all, I love the fact that it's coming from Julia, not just Native or support or anything like that. I like the fact they added a name there. And then the email itself is extremely similar to their website. So you see that the conversion stuff is definitely working for them. The free shipping and free returns on US orders gives you the option of shopping women or shopping men. And then it gives all of the same callouts they gave on their website. Invest in yourself. They have the lifestyle shots here. They include all of their different product categories, from body wash to sets to bars and toothpaste, all that kind of stuff. The only critique I have on this email is that at the bottom here, they have this awesome offer, which is free mini, give one, get one, and you can earn free deodorant. I would have probably brought that up a little bit more, just that way they can have their click-through rates a little bit higher and actually go and increase the conversion on the email. But overall, I thought it's a great email. Even includes all the extra products that they sell down here at the bottom that I can go and click on to go and finish up shopping. So if you guys are in the market for deodorant or body wash or toothpaste, highly recommend checking out Native.